Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 10 of Treasure Trovember. I'm so happy you are here. If you are brand new, I encourage you to watch the welcome video. I'll put a link below and you can catch up really easily. Each of the daily prompts are about 2 minutes long, so you can catch up totally. We are only 1/3 of the way through our Trovember adventure. Once we get today's prompt, you can also sign up for free and get a guide, 30 tips for 30 days. Just go to explore.collagelab.com/Trovember. So day 10, the prompt is add some zigzags. Add zigzag lines or zigzags to your collage, however you'd like to do that. And then I will see you back here tomorrow for day 11.